Hello, my friends. Happy Friday night to all of you. There is a very big update for millions of Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients. Our lawmakers in Congress from both parties are making big progress on Social Security reform. Several bills have been proposed that would help senior citizens financially, especially during this crisis. An increase may be passed for all beneficiaries. Friends, please do watch until the end of this video. If you receive Social Security benefits, I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And at the end of this video, I will be announcing today's winner, so please stay tuned. Democratic leaders of 3 U.S. congressional caucuses have officially sent a letter urging House Speaker Nancy Pelosi to swiftly bring a bill that would expand and strengthen Social Security to the floor for a vote. The group of lawmakers wrote in the letter, "We know how important the Social Security 2100 Act is to all Americans. We need to continue working together to bring this bill for a vote so we can deliver the improved benefits our nation's beneficiaries need now." The letter promotes legislation introduced by Democratic Representative John Larson. And during an interview, John Larson said that increasing Social Security benefits would uplift everyone in our country. The lawmakers' letter to Nancy Pelosi highlights that importantly, the Social Security 2100 Act not only expands benefits, both across the board and in targeted ways. It cuts Social Security's projected shortfall by more than half. So friends, the bill would increase payments by about 2% for current and new beneficiaries, establish a new minimum benefit at 25% above the poverty line. It is in order to protect low-income workers, and also end the current 5-month waiting period to receive disability benefits. To pay for these improvements, the bill would apply the payroll tax to wages above $400,000, which would affect the top 0.4% of wage earners. According to a fact sheet from Representative John Larson's office, payroll taxes are not collected on wages over $142,800. Collectively, the Social Security Trust Funds covers disabled workers and their families, and the fund will be out of money by the year 2034. The Disability Insurance Trust Fund is projected to be depleted. Collectively, the Social Security Trust Fund covers themselves and their families, and will be out of money by the year 2034. The Disability Insurance Trust Fund is projected to be depleted in the year 2057. The group of lawmakers also stated in the letter, "The modest benefits Social Security currently provides are a lifeline for many of our constituents. Yet we know from our own town halls that parents and grandparents often must choose between putting food on the table for their children or keeping a roof over their heads. President Biden has called Social Security a sacred trust." The letter notes, arguing that not only is improving the program a wise policy and winning politics, but also it is Congress's responsibility to ensure that Social Security's benefits are protected and improved. So friends, do you think that Congress will ever be able to pass a bill to increase Social Security benefits? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. In addition to having over 200 co-sponsors, the bill is backed by advocacy organizations, including Social Security Works. This year, Social Security beneficiaries received their largest cost of living adjustment in decades. It was a 5.9% boost that took effect in January. Meanwhile, inflation has been even more rampant in the recent months. As such, the nonpartisan Senior Citizens League just put an estimate that seniors may be in line for an 8.6% COLA come 2023. It is fair to assume that Social Security will get a pretty sizable raise next year. The whole point of Social Security COLAs is to help beneficiaries maintain their buying power as living costs rise. But even if Social Security gets a huge boost for 2023, seniors are unlikely to actually come out ahead. In a best-case scenario, we can hope that Social Security doles out a generous enough raise to help seniors keep up with inflation. But what is more likely to happen is that even a generous raise will fall short. That has certainly been the case this year. While 5.9% COLA seemed generous going into 2022, just in recent months, inflation has soared far more on an annual basis, putting millions of beneficiaries in a position where they're once again scrambling to cover their bills. I strongly believe that Congress needs to pass at least a $200 monthly benefit increase to help all Social Security recipients right now. So what do you think, friends? Do you think that our government officials will wait until the midterm elections to make changes? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. All my amazing and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. The winner of today's giveaway is Luella Malone. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, friends, there will be many more giveaways. To enter any of the giveaways, simply listen for the keyword in each video and then enter that word in the comment section below of that video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.